Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is Farhad Islam. I'm your English teacher. Today I'm going to ask you some questions just to be part of your speaking test. So at the very beginning of this speaking test, first of all, you have to tell me what's your full name.
My full name is Syed Mahmoud Aadheen. You can call me Aadheen.
Okay, Aadheen, nice name. Aadheen, will you spell your nickname, please?
A
Okay,
D H
okay.
double E
Then,
N.
okay, you have to go first. Okay, thank you. So Aadheen, where are you from?
I'm from Bazar, Tech Paris to be more exact.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Aadheen, very nice. Now you just introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. I'm Syed Mahmoud Aadheen. You can call me Aadheen.
Okay,
I'm from Bazar, Tech Paris to be more exact.
okay.
My father's name is Syed Amin. He is a businessman. And my mother's name is Shahjahan Sultana. She is a homemaker. I'm 9 years and one of 4 siblings. I'm a student of class 4. I'm in class 3.
Okay,
My school's name is BM Laboratory School and College.
okay, that's fine.
I'm
Okay. Then okay, you just try to describe your family right now.
okay, sir. There are 6 members in my family. They are my father, mother, 2 elder sisters, 1 younger brother, and me.
Okay,
My father's name is Saidamit. He is a businessman. And my mother's name is Shahjahan Sultana. She is a homemaker.
okay,
And my first elder sister's name is Wafia Sultana. She is a student of class 7. And my second elder sister's names are Shayana Riham. She is a student of class 4. And my younger brother's name's Tausif bin Said. He is only 1 year old.
1 year. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Adin. Thank you, Adin. There is a picture in front of you. So right now you have to describe this picture. Okay.
Okay, sir. It's a picture of a study table. And there is a chair which is white in color.
Okay.
And there is a mobile phone on the table which is black and white in color.
Okay.
There's also a pot which is white in color.
Okay.
And there is a camera on the table which is black in color.
Okay.
And there is 2 pen holder.
There are 2 pen holders.
There are 2 pen holders, and there are so many pens in the pen holder.
Okay.
And there are 3 sticky notes on the wall.
Okay.
And there is also a clock on the wall.
Okay.
And there are so many books on the table,
Okay.
which are which are blue in color.
Okay.
There's
Okay, thank you.
also
Please, you just tell me how many paintings are there in the picture.
there are, please let me count.
Yes.
There are 7 paintings in the picture.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I'm going to tell you some words and you have to make sentence. Okay, first of all, just try to make a sentence by go.
Can I go?
Can I go? But you have to use may I go.
May
Okay.
I go?
Okay, thank you. You're right. Okay. Thank you. Just make another sentence by school.
I go to school.
Okay, then you make another sentence by night.
I sleep at night.
Okay, you just make another sentence by morning.
I wake up. I wake up
I
in the
wake up.
early in the morning.
Okay, this is the last one. You just try to make another sentence by English heaven.
I go to English heaven.
Okay. Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English.
Where do you learn English?
I learn English at English heaven.
Okay, so when do you go to school?
I go to school at 11 a.m.
With whom do you go to school?
I go to school with my sisters.
With your sisters.
Yes.
Do you have how many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
What's your elder sister's name?
My elder sister's name's Wafia Sultana.
Wafia Sultana. Okay, how is Wafia right now?
She is good.
She's my student. Okay, but okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Aadheen. Thank you, Aadheen. You just try to tell me actually. Do you know pizza?
Yes, sir. Of course, I know pizza.
What is pizza?
It's a food.
Have you ever eaten pizza?
Yes, sir. I have eaten pizza.
How many times have you eaten?
Sorry, sir. I can't count.
Okay, so where have you eaten? Have you remembered?
At Pasta Club.
Pasta Club.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Okay, yes. I've also eaten many times at Pasta Club. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Now, this is the last part, and in this part, you have to ask me some standard questions. Okay, come on, please go on.
Okay. What's your father's name?
Yes, my father's name is Nazir Ahmed. Okay, then question number two.
How old are you?
Okay, then question number three.
Do you go to college?
Then question number four.
Can you see without your glasses?
Then last one.
Are you a teacher at English Heaven?
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Aadheen. You have done well today. Thank you very much for your nice speaking test. So I'm praying for you, and you're going to get something very special from English Heaven within very short time. Okay. So see you in the next new year, 2025. Till then, stay happy. Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.